Greetings from Zugspitz. This is the Torreler Hotel that I'm staying at, and we've just arrived. It is snowing. Hit the subscribe button. We're going to take you on a travel vlog with us. We are unpacking in the hotel at the moment, and then we're going to head out for some lunch, explore the area and sort of just get to know where everything is. I can't really tell much about the mountains at the moment because you can't really see very much, but I'm hearing and seeing some, let's zoom it over there, some people on a nursery slope, so we may go and test out my new skis and see how I get on with them, maybe?
Sounds good.
So we might go and do that, but I'm really hungry, probably Nick is too.
So Annie and I were just having a conversation about snowboard equipment, and I've had this same setup since we lived in France about 8 years ago.
Yeah.
And I was just saying how these DC boots have been really, really great. They're pretty much bottom of the range. There's nothing particularly special about them. They just kind of do what they say on the tin. And I was just comparing them to the 2018 compared to the 2009. That's how good they are, is that they're virtually unchanged.
Yeah.
And so it just goes to show that there's bargains to be had. You know, if you can find one of these older models, very little has actually changed.
Yeah.
And sometimes it's just marketing gimmicks, so it's worth having a look out there for some bargains.
How much are those at the moment?
Over £100.
But then if obviously they're lasting if they're lasting as long as these ones.
Yeah. So if they last you 10 years, then
yeah, you're pretty golden now.
10 quid a year.
Cool. Right. Let's get a feed. The hotel's amazing. Hotel is absolutely amazing. It's so cute, isn't it?
So we're up on the slope, first afternoon. We've just come out for a really quick sort of leg stretcher, get used to it again. We just started on the nursery slope, little T-bar. Annie's on her new skis.
Yeah, my new
So we're gonna.
You can see them. I'm very bright.
It's been a little while for me. Annie hasn't skied since last year, me since the year before. So we're just going to take it really easy, get back into the swing of it, and then start fresh with a proper day tomorrow.
Got back to the hotel room. We have been to the climbing centre and had a cheeky beer while we've been there. Not while climbing, obviously. We didn't even climb, but we went to go look at the climbing centre and had a beer, and now we're back at the hotel. We are finally having a bit of a chill out, gonna get ready for some dinner, and yeah, maybe go and check out the bar. So it's been a good day. It's been a very long day. I am absolutely exhausted after getting up at 3 o'clock this morning, and it is
5 to 6 local.
5 to 6 local, so it's been a long day. This morning's been so much fun. We've been skiing in the Tirol area. The sun came out briefly, now it's snowing again, and I'm about to try something completely new. Me and Nick are having a cross-country skiing lesson. I've always wanted to do it. There's quite a lot of places you can do it in Chamonix, and when we went to Chamonix, and there is a huge area where normally a golf course is. So in where we are now, and we're going to be trying it there. So I'm really excited. Hopefully I'll find this a lot easier than skiing actually. So maybe I'm going to be some sort of a cross-country skiing natural, hopefully. Either way, it's going to be great fun. So I'm going to show you what it's all about and how well I get on.
Because it's not.
Yeah, that's the same Nordic
probably
walking.
what I was doing.
It's all the same. So go into the track, step in. Okay. Now your skis. You don't have to concentrate because they are in the track. The track takes care of your skis, so we can concentrate in walking. So we'll let him also into the track and move a little bit forward.
You want me to go in front?
Yeah. And now. We go walking, but from the first beginning on, try to leave your heels. We go over our toes, leave the heels. It's like walking. It's like walking, a little bit jogging. Jogging and ski.
This is my first time cross-country skiing. Nick's obviously doing really well here. I just said that as he disappears over there. We need to get, we got these little tracks just here. I'm just about getting it. I'm sort of doing a bit of a march. I'm trying to slide along and go with the tracks, but we've got another 15 minutes and then it's off to tobogganing. We are back from our first experience cross-country skiing. Actually, Nick has already done it before and you could totally tell because he was so much quicker than I was. I had one little wobble where I fell down, but it was okay. We did over 5 kilometers, which we did it for about an hour, was it? About an hour, which according to the instructor that we had for a beginner is pretty good, so I'll take that. Really good fun. My arms have had such a big workout, and now we are doing a quick turnaround, camera charge, having a cheeky glass of wine, and then we are off to go and do tobogganing. I've never done that before. So here we are. We are about to
They're in jeans and boots.
attempt a bit of a bobsleigh. Bobsleigh? Toboggan. I have no idea what I'm doing, so this could be very entertaining footage. But kids are doing it, so if they can do it, we can do it. I just don't know how you're supposed to slow yourself down. Here we are at Gungho Hut and we are part way down a piste and we're tobogganing, and we've never tobogganed before. We've basically been given helmets and all the safety bits and our sledges, and we've just been going down the piste in the dark.
Yeah, so typical wooden,
Like
kind of
old
curled
school
at the front sledges with,
Yeah.
with a handle, and you get the bubble lift up as if you were going skiing, but the piste is closed, and if you just look outside, there's floodlights on, and it's also snowing. But so it's a floodlit ski run on a wooden sledge.
Yeah.
It's terrifying.
It's actually terrifying. Not knowing quite what you're doing as well. I've lost my balance a few times, nearly ran off the piste. But it's really quite entertaining. difference with this sort of area that we're in, this is what their après ski is.
Yeah, they go.
You are making so. Half dip it.
What are you doing?
Dip it, light it. Best boyfriend in the world. They go we are, I don't know. We are drinking.
Dip, light, eat, drink.
Eat, yes, right.
Right,
Yes, eat. And then drink. Yeah!
How was that? Good?
No.
So this is kind of snowballed a little bit. We were only having a quick drink, having a little bite to eat, and now we...
One drink we've had.
Yeah. Wait, we've got to say it.
Hey, genau, Prost.
One and a bit.
Hey.
Cheers.
Prost.
So we're up and we are ready to go. Second day on the slopes. Nick's snowboarding today. I'm back on the skis. Just had a lovely breakfast. And now it's time to head to a different area. At Torreler House, and we're having a look at this very tasty menu here, full of good stuff.
Hi. So Torreler House is the biggest and most modern of the mountain huts, mountain restaurants. It's only been here for a couple of years, and it's enormous. So we're in a restaurant, there's a bar next door, and then there's kind of a self-service kind of burger and chips kind of area as well. But we're right on the edge of the slopes. So this is just on the top of the cable car.
Yeah.
The Airwalder ski area.
Cool. And what are you going to have for your food?
I'm going to have German lessons, I think. The Grostel I had yesterday was really good.
That's a really,
That's a
from
very
experience, that's a really good
traditional local
dish.
kind of thing.
Yeah.
Maybe schnitzel. I haven't had schnitzel yet.
And I'm going to have some Tyrolean style pasta. So here we are, we've just been skiing in which part of area was it?
Airwalder.
And now we are in Lemos, and we are...
Lemos.
Lemos. And now we are pony sledding? Pony sledding.
Horses that can reverse.
And there is a dog called Mambo there. You know, just chilling at the top. It's great.
That's right.
There,
This
Nick's
is awesome.
Snuggly.
Yeah.